Being an entrepreneur has a great role in our economy. The main advocacy is to mainstream by creating enterprise network, like in our country.
Entrepreneurs are frequently thought of as national assets, cultivated, motivated, and remunerated to the greatest possible ethics. Great entrepreneurs have the ability to change the way we live and work. They also create jobs and contributes to a growing economy.
Entrepreneurship can provide a solution by creating wealth, jobs, and social empowerment. If we are to address the issue of poverty with some degree of success, history tells us we have no choice but to actively encourage the entrepreneurial venture.
Entrepreneur is viewed as important to empowering the poor, enhancing production, and as an impetus to innovation and also help them to produce, innovate, innovate and gain market access.
To make us give more information to understand the essence of entrepreneur, I will be interview one of the successful entrepreneur. As an entrepreneur, there's a lot of business opportunities that you can take. Why it is a beach resort? What struggles, problems that you can face in your life, and how you handle this to become a successful business person.
When I was a child, our house is near in the seashore. I learned how to swim, making a castle in the sand. My parents had a business, a little resort. I am the only one to help them. I took up a business management in my college year. Sad to say, my parents died in car accident during my graduation day in the year 1995. I suffered depression, the reason why I can't handle my life without my parents' guide. One day, my best friend visited me and asked, "How am I?" Welcomed me wholeheartedly, and she convinced me to develop the inheritance of my parents.